respected chairs, honorable guests, teachers, parents, dignitaries on of the dais, and ladies and gentlemen. Today I have great pleasure and privilege to be here with you in this auspicious occasion. Now I would like to share something with you about my selected topic is Independence Day. Once again the historic 15 August has come and it is Independence Day celebration time for us Indian. Once again that historical midnight at the Constituent Assembly Hall and the history traced with destiny speech come to our minds, arousing nostalgic memories. That was a sleepless night for the whole of India. But that night, Gandhiji, the chief architect of the hard-won freedom, was in Kolkata seeking to restore peace between Hindus and Muslims. While Gandhiji was distressed by the religious rioting that accompanied independence and partition, he remained concerned with what his fellow Indians would make their hard-won and somewhat belated Swaraj. Independence Day is celebrated all over India with various festivities. Amidst the grand celebrations, which include rallies and parades at the national and state capitals and cities, the day gives us opportunity to remember all those freedom fighters who had sacrificed their lives just for giving us a beautiful and peaceful life. Prior to the independence, people were not allowed to get good education, eat healthy food, and live normal life like us. We should be grateful to those who settled war, fought for the freedom of our country. They are Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, and Chandrasekhar Azad were some of the great Indians who either spent their prime years in prisons and battlefield or sacrificed their life itself for the cause of the freedom of the country. Though we can say that their supreme sacrifice did not go in vain when India got political freedom in 1947. But the truth is far from that. They did not fight for a corrupt, free India. They did not sacrifice their lives to win an India of inequalities. They did not even dream about free India with drunkards or raped children or street dogs. They did not fight to get a black India with black money or falsehood. I'm sure those great souls were weeping in the other world by watching the cunning political games of free India. Divisive forces are at play both internally and externally. Cross-border terrorism has become India's headache. Island terrorism also is very strong. Unrest among the youth have led to the resurgence of many civil war groups. But I think the greatest enemy to the security of the country is within the Indian psyche. Narrow, communal, regional, linguistic and cultural sentiments have made India an unsafe place for the peace-loving people to lead a normal life. Indians have become their own enemies. When free India was further liberalized in the early 1990s, the Indian liberated their animal instinct and agreed to script barbarian success stories. The great man's experiment with truth has miserably failed in free India. Today we can prescribe so many remedies, but the real remedy is there in a great modern India's words. The great missile man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, if a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are parents and teachers. They can show the new India the ways to free the Indian minds, to make the concept of freedom a real one. So friends, with a short of time I would like to conclude here, and thank you very much one and all.